The Constitution of India is the supreme law of the land, the longest written constitution of any country on the earth. It took the Constituent Assembly a little less than 3 years to draft this monumental document. The Assembly adopted the Constitution of Independent India on the 26th of November 1949, and it came into effect on the 26th of January 1950. The preamble, which commences with the magical words, "We the people of India," captures the lofty spirit of our Constitution. India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic which assures the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. The nation recognizes justice, liberty, and equality as basic principles of a citizen's lives and seeks to promote fraternity among them. Our Constitution establishes India as a union of states with a parliamentary system of democracy. All adult citizens have the right to vote without any discrimination on any grounds, making universal adult franchise a hallmark of our democratic system. It envisages that the legislature will represent and enact the will of the people, while an independent judiciary will serve as the conscience keeper of the nation.